Welcome back to the channel. Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics, keeping the thunder rolling. Happy New Year. It's been a while since I posted a demo. We are looking at Spring Fling by Brothers. We've got a wheel. That big long nail comes with it. Wheels are pretty fun for any fireworks show. I'm guessing this has a minute duration, or close to it. So you put the nail in, nail it into a tree or a post. The fuse is on the back. It's got 3 drivers, 1, 2, 3. With no further ado, let's get into it.
Look at you. Look at you. Look. Uh-oh. Look, look, look. Ooh, it's a pinwheel. Look at you. Why won't you look? That is so pretty.
Spring Fling by Brothers Pyrotechnics. That was a mesmerizing wheel. Definitely enjoyed that one. Please like and subscribe. Keeping the thunder rolling.